July FPV crate. Let's see what we got this month. So yeah, I'm not all that excited about these as I originally was. The first box I got was the Bardwell box, and it blew my mind. I was like, this is freaking awesome. I'm going to subscribe monthly. And then the next box came, and I wasn't impressed. I just wasn't impressed. So here's July's box. It just came yesterday, August 6th. July's box on August 6th. I thought I read somewhere that they were supposed to ship out on the 20th of each month, and I guess they just didn't hit that target this month. And this was going to be the box where I was either going to say I'll keep going or I'm going to stop. Unfortunately, I was charged for my next box before I even received this box. So that's another negative. But I guess we could chalk it up to the state of the economy. I don't know. Let's open this up and hope for the best. Okay, well, this is neat. Ethics candy cane props. We were just talking about these. I got a group of guys I fly with in Columbus, Ohio, and he said, "Oh, you gotta try them. You gotta try them. Have you seen them?" Well, I guess I gotta try them now. So that's a plus. I like that. T-shirt and plastic this time. Oh, is this okay. That's not bad. I like the shirt. That's cool. Okay. 2 for 2. What is this? Is this a build mat, maybe? It is. That's cool. All right. Yeah, I like that. That's a nice material. It's got a real sticky rubber bottom, and you know what? This feels just like a mouse pad. That's exactly what it feels like. That is very cool. Awesome. 3 for 3. And I'm guessing these are motors. 2206.5 by 2700. T-motor. I don't know a lot about these. I'll have to look that up. Velux. I like the design. That's cool. It's got this, open one up. I don't know, can you see it? Yeah, you can see that. It's got that cool little, not hexagonal, but that's cool. Very cool. 4 for 4, man. And it came with the socket cup screws. That's awesome. And a nut and a washer. What is that screw there? Is that for the... Yeah, for the bottom. Okay. Oh, awesome, awesome. 4 motors. That'll go on my QAV build. If I like them, I'll have to research them first, I guess. Stickers. That's cool, I guess. Like I mentioned before, I'm not big on the artsy stickers. I just like the brand stickers. But these are actually kind of cool. I could use these. I'd stick these on something. And that's it. In my little coupon code here. So we got four T-motor Velocity 2206.5 V2 motors, 2700 kV in gunmetal gray, 3 Ethics P4 candy cane props, 1 FPV crate building mat or landing pad. Landing pad, come on. Nobody lands in FPV. FPV crate limited edition t-shirt and sticker sheet. And this is neat. Buy 10 motors for $100. 10 for 10. That's a good deal. $10 for a motor. If these are good, I'll look them up. Maybe I'll do a review on them. We'll see. That's it. So definitely happy with this box. I love everything in it. Very cool. I'm excited to hang on for another month. Thanks for watching.